Hello everybody and welcome. Yes, today we are going to install some new floor mats. This is actually my second set of floor mats from a different company. In fact, it's the same floor mats that I put in the Rivian. Same people. Let's see how they're packed. I open this up and compared to the last one that I bought, which was absolute garbage, I think these guys have it going on. Some nice instructions, show you how to take it apart and install it, those kinds of things. It's good. Everything is packed very nice here. I'm going to pull this thing apart and see what we get here. It's 4 pieces and it goes in the Model Y. So let's have a look here. I think we see a little deformation here, being all folded up like a pretzel. I will say that this mat is not the same that was installed in the Rivian. The Rivian, I think, was way better. This appears to be one piece of TPE plastic. There is no smell to it. There is some deformation. So I'm going to go see if we can put this in the car and see if the act of putting it in the car will help straighten it out, or if I have to leave it outside and warm it up. I'm not sure. Let's go try. The passengers look like this. Yeah, that's not going to go over too well. But the only hope I have here is maybe this will straighten out over a couple days here. The design looks decent. Let's see how it fits. Let's do the driver's side first. Yeah, I was at the Shelby Hamfest today, out in the grass. So let's see what happens here. We'll throw that down, and I think this is it here. Again, this folded up thing, it's kind of a pain in the rump, but these feel better than the last one. So let's just see how it fits. May need 2 hands here. You know, this isn't so bad. Look at this. See, it fits the contour around the seat here, right? And it's got this little added piece right here. You see this? This goes underneath the plastic piece here. So let me do that and see what it looks like. I think it fits pretty darn well. It's this little piece underneath the trim. The only thing from shipping is this. I'm assuming that'll disappear. Let it sit in this position. It does fit. If that goes out, it'll fit nice. And I think it could be pretty nice. All right, let's put in the passenger side. All right, let's take out the existing carpet. See what we get out of this grass without getting it all over in the car. This is going to be a problem, but let's just see what happens. It's relatively thick. I would say it's, I don't know, 30 seconds, maybe something like that. So, all right, let's have a look here. Other than this curled piece, hopefully it'll uncurl in the next day or so. Fits pretty darn well. And in this crease here and here, right up to the door, underneath the trim piece there. I don't know, I'd say it seems to fit. Let's put the back row in. Let's have a look here. Well, let's remove this rear carpet. See if I can get it out of here without dumping too much junk inside of the car. All right, let's get the other side there, install it. Get this in here. Try not to pull it across too much of the seats. Let's have a look here. Yeah, it's not bad. Seems to fit okay, except for the creases. Let's look up front. Here is the front seat, passenger side. Yeah, not bad. Here is the driver's side. Seems to fit okay. The only thing, of course, is right here, but I'm guessing that's part of the shipping. So let's let this sit a day and we'll see what happens. This is the fourth piece. It's designed to fit here in the back. It's quite distorted if you look at the angle here. It was folded up like a, I don't know, tortilla or something. Anyway, I'm gonna let it sit overnight and we'll see what it looks like in the morning. I put some weight on this back thing here, and hopefully in the morning it'll be all done. I won't report on it this video, but in an upcoming video, which will be my speed test, I'll report just to see exactly how this worked. If you liked today's video, give me a like, and if you would, pass it on to your friends and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thank you for watching. I'll look for you in the next video, and take care.